cos theta upon 1 minus tan theta minus sin square theta upon cos theta minus sin theta, and we have to prove cos theta plus sin theta. So it means right hand side is a simple ratio, so we will start proving from left hand side. So here you can see cos theta is a simple ratio, so we should not touch cos theta, we should change tan theta into sin theta upon cos theta. So we will convert it like cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta minus sin square theta will remain as it is upon cos theta minus sin theta. So यहाँ पे अगेन जैसे पिछले सब में था सेम वही चीज यहाँ पे अप्लाई होगी. So what do we have to do here? We have to take LCM. So here we will take LCM in the denominator. Cos theta numerator will remain as it is. So नीचे cos theta will be the LCM. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा cos theta minus sin theta. This is sin square theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. So again यहाँ पे cos square theta upon cos theta minus sin theta minus sin square theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. So in the denominator both sides we have the same denominator, so we will take this LCM as it is cos theta minus sin theta. So on the numerator it is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So here we will take the identity that is a square minus b square. This is a plus b into a minus b. So a is cos theta, b is sin theta. So a plus b, a minus b will come out to be cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. So both these terms will cancel out. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास आ गया cos theta plus sin theta. This is right hand side. Hence proved.